Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah wa ala alihi wa ashabihi wa man wala. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we're going to be discussing the gender of an ismun insha'Allah ta'ala. To start off, we're going to look at the English equivalent. So in English we have three distinct genders. We have a masculine or male gender, then we have a neutral gender, and we have a feminine or a female gender. We refer to the masculine gender in English as he. For example, if you're referring to a boy, you will refer to the boy as he. If you are referring to a man, you would refer to the man as he. So in English, the masculine gender, you would refer to it as he. Then the neutral gender, you'd refer to it as it. For example, if you are speaking about a school, you would say it. When you're speaking about the moon or a book, you would say it. And then finally you have the feminine gender, and the feminine gender we would refer to as she. For example, if you had the word girl, you'd refer to the girl as she, or if you had the word woman, you would refer to woman as she. So in English we have masculine, we have feminine, and we have neutral. He, she, and it. In Arabic, we actually only have two genders. There is only a masculine gender and there is only a feminine gender. In fact, there is no neutral gender. It doesn't actually exist. So you only have masculine isms and you have feminine isms. There is no neutral ism. So what does this mean? What about words that have no gender? For example, the word school. In fact, in Arabic, every ism must have either a masculine or a feminine gender. For example, in Arabic, the word school, madrasa, would actually be a feminine word. So you'd refer to madrasa as hiya or she. The word moon, qamar, qamar would actually be a masculine word. So you'd refer to qamar as he or huwa. The word book, kitab, would actually be a masculine word. So you'd refer to book as huwa. So when it comes to Arabic, there is no neutral gender. There's only a masculine gender and a feminine gender. Every single word is either masculine or feminine. There is no neutral gender. So the question is, how do we know if a word is masculine or feminine? How can we tell? For now, I'm going to introduce a very basic rule that if a word ends with a ta marbuta, for example, the word madrasa, if you look at the end of the word, it ends with a ta marbuta, then we're going to say the word is feminine. If a word doesn't end with a ta marbuta, for example, we have the word masjidun. Masjidun has no ta marbuta at the end, then we are going to say the word is masculine. So for now, it's a very general, high-level rule which we will refine in a later lesson, inshallah. But for now, if the word ends with ta marbuta, it is feminine. If it doesn't end with ta marbuta, it is masculine. So before doing a short exercise, we want to learn the Arabic terms. The Arabic term for the word masculine is mudhakkar. The Arabic term is mudhakkar. And the Arabic term for the word feminine is mu'annath. Mu'annath. Mudhakkar and mu'annath. This is the masculine and feminine in Arabic. So if you look at the list, what I'd like you to do is just to pause the video and go through the list and decide whether each word is either mudhakkarun, masculine, or mu'annathun, feminine. So pause the video and complete the exercise, inshallah, and we will mark the answers in a moment. Let's go through the answers. So we have the word madrasatun. So for now, our simple rule is check the end of the word. If it ends with ta marbuta, madrasatun, it ends with ta marbuta, then the word is mu'annathun, feminine. Mu'annathun, feminine. So in Arabic, a school would be feminine. You'd refer to the school as she. Then we look at the next one, kitabun. We would check the end of the word and we would see that there's no ta marbuta. Therefore, kitabun would be masculine mudhakkar. Masculine mudhakkar. The next word is muslimun. Muslimun. We look at the end of the word and there's no ta marbuta. Therefore, muslimun would actually refer to a male Muslim. Whereas the word muslimatun, because it's a ta marbuta, it's a feminine word, therefore muslimatun would refer to a female Muslim. So when it comes to people, there would be a male and female version. For example, male Muslim, female Muslim, male writer, female writer. But when it comes to inanimate objects like book, there is no male and female version, there's only one version. For example, you have the word kitabun, and there is no kitabatun, because there is no female version of a book, there's only kitabun. Then we come to the word al-jannatu. The word al-jannatu has a ta marbuta at the end, therefore the word al-jannah is going to be a feminine muannath word. And finally the word al-qamaru. The word al-qamaru has no ta marbuta, therefore the word al-qamaru is going to be a mudhakkar or a masculine word. So today's lesson is very simple. If a word ends with ta marbuta, we're going to say it's muannathun. And if a word doesn't end with ta marbuta, we're going to say it's mudhakkarun. And so when it comes to Arabic, every single word, every single ism is either mudhakkar, masculine, or muannath, feminine. And when it comes to isms dealing with people, there will be a male version and a female version. But when it comes to other inanimate, non-human, non-people isms, there would either be either a male version or a female version, not both. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.